Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda. Guess what just dropped right away this morning? If you're guessing it's going to be the 2022 Honda Civic Sport, you guessed correctly. We haven't programmed this yet, so not all the bells and whistles are active, but once it's done, I'm going to do a nice video. I'm going to touch everything and explain everything to you what's in this sport package. I just want to do a nice little walk around for you guys so you can take a nice little look. You got your LED lights all the way around. Look at those nice LED rims. I love it. It looks really good here in the white. You got your LED headlights. LED lights actually all the way around, so that's pretty cool. Man, still even got the plastic on this thing. It looks sharp. There it is. The new front dashboard. Sweet. Let's check out the front. Nice 1 little minute walk around. Stay tuned, guys. I'll get a nice little walk around video as soon as this car is programmed, all right?